Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchasing decisions without losing your mind. Today, we are diving into the high-flying world of drones. On the left, we have the sleek, sophisticated DJI Mini 2 SE, and on the right, the budget-friendly DEERC D70. Let's see which of these flying gadgets is worth your hard-earned cash. Buckle up because it's going to be a bumpy ride. First up, let's talk about the almighty dollar. The DJI Mini 2 SE will set you back a cool $279. Yes, you heard that right. It's like buying a small island in the Caribbean. Meanwhile, the DEERC D70 comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. For that price, it's almost like buying a coffee machine. So if you're on a tight budget and your wallet screams every time you open it, the DEERC D70 wins this round. Next, let's talk about portability. The DJI Mini 2 SE is lightweight and compact, weighing less than 249 grams. You can carry it on hikes, road trips, and even sneak it into a concert if you're feeling adventurous. On the other hand, the DEERC D70 folds into the size of your palm. Yes, you heard that right, your palm. It's basically the drone equivalent of a pocket chihuahua. Both are easy to carry, but if you want something that can literally fit in your pocket, DEERC D70 takes the cake. All right, let's move on to beginner friendliness. The DJI Mini 2 SE is designed to be beginner-friendly with simplified operations and a return-to-home function for added safety. Perfect for those who are still figuring out which way is up. Meanwhile, the DEERC D70 boasts one key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Seriously, it's like the drone is begging you to fly it. If you're a newbie, both drones are great, but the DEERC D70 makes it so easy your grandma could fly it while knitting a sweater. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the camera quality. The DJI Mini 2 SE doesn't just take photos. It captures your soul with its professional-level videos that can be shared directly on social media. Meanwhile, the DEERC D70 offers a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera. It's like comparing a DSLR to your grandma's old flip phone camera. If you're serious about aerial photography, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to. But if you just want to capture fun moments without breaking the bank, the DEERC D70 will do just fine. Up next, flight time. The DJI Mini 2 SE offers an impressive 31 minutes of max flight time, and if you grab the combo, you get up to 93 minutes. That's enough time to fly to Mordor and back. On the flip side, the DEERC D70's flight time. Let's just say, if it were a runner, it would need frequent snack breaks. For those long, epic flights, the DJI Mini 2 SE is the clear winner. Let's talk about how far these bad boys can fly. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts a 10 kilometers max transmission range. That's right, you could fly this thing to your neighbor's house 10 blocks away and still have a clear signal. The DEERC D70, however, is more like a homing pigeon. It's great for short distances, but don't expect it to cross the Atlantic. If you want to explore far and wide, the DJI Mini 2 SE takes the crown. Reviewers generally love the DJI Mini 2 SE for its exceptional camera quality, long battery life, and ease of use, making it a fantastic option for both beginners and aerial photography enthusiasts. On the other hand, the DEERC D70 is praised for its affordability, durability, and beginner-friendly features, although some users noted issues with camera quality and connectivity. Overall, the Mini 2 SE is seen as a more advanced but pricier option, while the DEERC D70 offers great value for those on a budget. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a high-end, feature-packed drone and you're willing to spend a bit more, the DJI Mini 2 SE is your go-to. But if you're on a budget and want something fun and easy to use, the DEERC D70 is a fantastic choice. Either way, you're in for a fun flight. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly high and buy smart.